Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So I'm just gonna go over the setup for the timer and date for this INTEK SoundLogic 1080p Full HD dash cam. So if you want, you could go to like your video mode right here, okay, and then you're gonna hit the menu. Once you hit the menu, make sure you highlight under video output. If you press the menu one more time, you will go to your setup, and then you could press your right arrow or your left arrow to toggle up and down or to the next menu. And you want to go ahead and then keep on press it until you see the date input. Once you see the date input, you want to press OK. And this is where you set up your date, your year, your month, day, and then time. Okay. So you can press the arrow. Let me see. The right arrow is the number is going down. So you're going to press the left arrow. So the number will be, wow. Right now it's 2019. And then you got to press OK. And it's jumping to the month. And this is January. Press one more time. Gonna set to January 3rd. So we're gonna go up, so we don't need to keep on pressing. So right now it's January 3rd. Press OK again. So right now it's about 10. So this is 24 hours military time. So let's put 10, 11 then. So I'm pressing the right arrow to have the number to go down. Then press OK to set it. Okay, and then that's it. So this is a pretty short video that a special request from the viewers that they want to know how to set up the time on this. So right now, if you go to your camera, just exit out. Press that. So as you can see right now, it shows the correct date and time now. Okay. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please drop your comments on below. See if you guys have any other question about this camera, how to set it up. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop it in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.